Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you have administrator access and saving any open work. Changing region can prompt restarts or app relogins. Once done, open settings then time and language on Windows, or system preferences then language and region on Mac OS. Make sure to back up or note any app-specific regional settings like store purchases or language packs, because you may need to re-download content. Now that you're in the correct control panel, proceed to the region selection controls to make the first concrete change. You now select the new region from the drop-down menu. This changes locale-sensitive behavior like currency and content availability. Then adjust formats for date, time, and numbers to match local conventions, and switch keyboard layout if required. For Windows, check the additional date, time, and regional settings for control panel options. For Mac OS, set primary language order and region. Make sure to sign out and sign back in or restart when prompted so system and apps pick up the new locale. Once changes are applied, you should verify app stores and region lock services reflect the new country, download a small update, or check a regional app to confirm. If some programs still show the old region, check the system locale via command line or language settings panels to ensure no residual entries remain. If problems persist, try reverting and reapplying, or create a new user profile to isolate settings. One quick troubleshooting tip: clear cached location data and restart. This often resolves lingering mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.